What's up guys? It's your boy the Victor V254 and here today tunaenda to learn about compressor. Today we are going to learn about compressor. 3 tips about compressor, drainage, part of compressor. Alafu tutapata kupatana na our engineer from back behind the scene huko kwa camera, anajiita engineer Stanley Minor. Yeah, I'm your engineer today, the Victor V254. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to share my link and let the farm grow. Thank you. Kaboom.
Guys, today is a nice day. I'm going to teach you. I'm going to pass a little knowledge about compressor to you guys.
Yes sir, yes sir. Today we are going to learn about 3 steps on a compressor. This is our compressor today. We are going to learn about drainage, the part of compressor. And today we have the engineer Stanley Minor. Yes, as you can see, tuko na compressor pale.
Okay. Okay guys, now we are going to learn about a compressor. Our compressor is very known as our compressor. This is the name of our compressor.
The name of our compressor?
Yeah, it's called Capco.
It's all about Atlas Capco compressor.
Capco. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, now before we start learning about this compressor, we have to consider our safety first. So we have, first of all, the switch of the compressor. Here's the switch where you can switch off the compressor.
You put off the compressor?
Yeah, now
it is indicated that there is on and off, or it's what?
You can see here.
Yes.
This is on. This is off.
When you press it
when
down,
it is up, it means the compressor is on. When you push it downwards, means the compressor is isolated.
Okay, thank you.
Now we are going to start with a basic part, which you should start with it when servicing a compressor. And the first step, you come here. Down here there is a cork.
Cork?
You can drain.
For which purpose that cork?
The purpose of this cork is to drain the air.
Inside the compressor?
Inside this compressor.
Which product will come outside after you drain the cork? Is it water, is it air, is it what?
Just normal air, but when you have not drained it for a long time, the result will be water. It will remove water. Okay, now that's one step. You first of all consider when starting a service. You clear the inside air. You check where is if the compressor is drained. That's the first step. Now we are coming to the second step. Second step, this is the lube tank.
It's called what? What?
This is the lube tank.
Lube tank.
Yeah, tank ya kuwekea oil. Hii nayo come here. Here is the nut.
You open it.
You open this nut.
When you want to put some oil there inside?
No. This is when you are draining.
You are draining the compressor.
Yeah, you open this one. You drain the compressor. But there is another lid here.
Yeah.
Where you can open.
That is exit or entrance?
This is the entrance.
Okay.
Now we come here. Okay, you can remember compressor. It's a 3-phase
compressor.
Meaning it is using 3-phase. Okay, this is our motor now.
Motor.
This is our motor.
Yes, I can see it.
This is our motor. This is a 3-phase motor. This motor, we can say is the one operating the compressor. Yeah. Here is where our 3-phase electrical works are. You can see this is our box. This you have said it's what? It's a motor? This is a motor. This is a motor. This is a 3-phase
for which purpose?
Motor.
3-phase motor.
Yeah, it's called it is using a star delta. This is a star delta motor. Now we come to the round part. This is the air cleaner.
Air cleaner?
Yeah, this is the air cleaner.
For which purpose?
To clean the air that is entering into the...
Oh, there inside there is air cleaner?
Yeah, here is the air cleaner. You can see it clearly.
Oh, I can see it. I can see very well. That is the air cleaner. When you're doing service for the compressor, you make sure you change the air cleaner.
You remove that air cleaner. You put a new air cleaner to make the compressor more efficient.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Now we are going to the fourth part. Which are these pipes?
Pipes.
Yeah.
It's called pipes. There is no another name.
I can call it pipe. This is a pipe. This is a pipe that is connecting the water and the air cylinder.
For which purpose that pipe?
This pipe.
The work of the pipe.
Yeah, this pipe is taking air from this air pump to the air cylinder.
The work of the pipe.
Yeah,
so it's take air outside.
The work of this is to compress air, taking it to the compressor cylinder.
Okay.
You got it, guys? You can come here. You come here. You come here. Now we have this one.
Which one?
This one is this is called a gauge.
Gauge.
Yeah,
compressor gauge.
Yeah, this is a compressor.
It's for which purpose?
Compressor air gauge. This is checking the amount of air that is
inside
this cylinder.
Okay.
Like now we can see the cylinder is at 60 psi. Yeah, meaning the pressure is at 60.
60.
Yeah.
So it means it's full or it's below full?
It is full. It is now good.
It's full.
Yeah.
So when the compressor is full, it shows 60.
Yeah.
Okay.
And now we come to another part here. This is a belt.
Belt. Inside that one,
Come here.
I can see it. This is a belt.
Yeah,
Belt.
without this,
the compressor cannot work.
can't run.
Okay. So the compressor must have the belt.
Must have the belt to run. Yeah.
The belt is work on a big purpose. The belt.
Yeah.
It have a long big purpose.
It is not a big purpose. Actually, the belt is the one connecting the compressor with the motor.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. That's all for today. I hope you have learned the lesson. See you next time. I love you guys.
Okay.